Hi, did you know there are 7 different ways to spell the sound eh? Well, today we're going to be practicing the sound eh with all its different spellings, and there's an extra bit of practice for you later on in the video, so head this way. First of all, let's get the sound right. Eh, eh, eh. It's a short voiced sound. Notice my mouth shape. Lips are spread, but only a little. My jaw is fairly closed and my tongue is forward. Eh, 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 eh. Now let's use different sounds to help you pronounce the eh sound. Place your finger and thumb at either side of your mouth like this. And now say eh and e, eh, e. Notice the difference in your lips. Your lips should be more spread for e, eh, e. Now return to neutral and repeat. Eh, e, eh, e. Now look at the difference between eh and ah. The jaw is more open for ah. Notice the difference by placing your finger on your nose and your thumb on your jaw like this. Now say eh, ah, eh, ah. Okay? Now go back to eh, 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 eh. Better? Let's move on to the spellings. The most common way of spelling the sound eh is the short eh, as in egg, editor, bet, yes, went, edge, better, excellent. Less common spellings are with ea, as in dead, head, breath, death, health, sweat, pleasure, treacherous. Exceptions include ie as in friend, a as in any, et, says, said, many, Thames. U as in berry, ei as in leisure. Now let's practice. It's another poem in iambic pentameter, as this is the closest rhythm to spoken English. Remember, the rhythm is 5 times di-dum. Di is unstressed and dum is stressed, like this. Di-dum, 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 di-dum. So here we go. Don't forget to try and practice exactly the same as me. There was a selfish boy called Benedict, who seldom went without his nice warm vest. He never ate his vegetables at all. When Mum would ask him, "Will you eat them, please?" he just said, "Never, ever, Mum, so there." However, one day Benedict fell ill, no longer healthy, found no pleasure more than when he ate his pizza, chips and cake. A well-respected friend called Jeff went round. He said, "If you refuse to eat your veg, then let it be on your own head," he said. So many days and nights passed by, and then poor Ben began to sweat with fever. But dear Ben fell in a deep, dark coma. No! Then Ben woke up and solemnly declared, "I want some veg," he said. "I want some veg." No time was lost and Mum began to cook courgettes and fennel, lettuce, celery. Some yellow yams and watercress prepared, all fried and boiled. Ben couldn't ask for more. Then Ben got better, 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 best. No more did Ben require his nice warm vest. So that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the poem. Don't forget, practice, practice and practice. Until next time, please share with your friends. Love and peace.